Ever had those cake hunger pangs but haven't got enough ingredients to do it? Check out this recipe for some 40-second cupcakes. Go check it out. 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, some vanilla essence, stroke extract, whatever you got lying around, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This recipe makes about 4 cupcakes, but if you want more, then just double the recipe. Bing, 8 cupcakes. In a bowl, mix the 4 tablespoons of flour and sugar and the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder together. Add the egg and stir it in as much as possible. Don't worry, it will appear dry. Chuck in the milk and the vegetable oil and stir thoroughly until all the lumps have gone. Don't forget to add in your vanilla extract. Once you've mixed it all well together and there's no lumps, put it aside. Grab your paper muffin case from your random stash you find somewhere in a cupboard. Just me? Oh, okay. You can also make this cake in a mug to have some sort of mug cake. Put a couple of tablespoons of the mixture into the muffin case so it's about 3/4 full. Plonk your muffin case with the mixture in on top of a microwavable plate. I found this delightful blue one. Don't have a go at it, it was clean. Plug it in a microwave and microwave on full power for 40 seconds. This depends on the power of your microwave, it might take longer, it might take less. Boom! 40-second cupcake. Leave it cool and move on to the cream cheese frosting. Ingredients, easy to remember, equal quantities of butter, the cream cheese and half that of powdered / icing sugar. For this I use 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of cream cheese, 25 grams of icing sugar and a capful of vanilla essence. Mix the butter and the cream cheese together until you get rid of all the nasty little lumps. Add the icing sugar and the vanilla extract and mix it again. That's it, simple cream cheese frosting. You can just knife it, spoon it on top of the cool cupcake. It was this point I decided I'd get a bit fancy. It sort of worked. Put some of your frosting into the piping bag and choose a nozzle of your choice. In this case I chose a pretty star. Pipe the cream all around the top of the cupcake. I tried. Add some sprinkles to get it crunch in style, if you've got some. Bang, done, micro cupcake. Thanks for watching this video folks. If you like what you see, smash that like button for me. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. When you do subscribe, if you subscribe, ding the notification bell and then they'll let you know when we put new videos up. Don't forget to check out other videos on the channel, our gaming videos and of course my little vlog about starting up a business. Also keep an eye on our social media and go and join us on there if you want for behind the scenes of business, cake making, cooking, game playing and general merriment and things that come to my brain in the middle of the night. Once again, thanks for watching peeps and I'll see you next time. Much love.